class 11th and 12th physics question paper format for different exams for 11th and 12th. So let us see physics question paper format. So first of all we will see for unit tests for 11th as well as 12th. For unit tests, the duration for the paper will be 1.5 hour and it will carry 25 mass. So duration is 1.5 hour and mass carried will be equal to 25. Then the paper will contain total number of questions 13, that is question number 1 to question number 13, and these 13 questions will be divided into 4 sections A, B, C, D. So if you consider section A, it will include question number 1, which will be select and write the correct answer. Select and write the correct answer, and it will carry 4 marks. So in this question number 1, there will be 4 sub questions in the form of MCQs. Multiple choice questions will be there. 4 multiple choice questions. Then question number 2 will be answer the following. Answer the following will carry 3 marks. In this there will be 3 sub questions and it will be very short answer. Very short answer questions will be there, and in all 3 questions will be there. Then section B. In that section B, question will be attempt any 4. Attempt any 4 and it will carry 8 marks. So in this question number 3 to question number 8 will lie. Question number 3 to question number 8, and which will be short answer 1 type. Short answer type questions 1. Then section C. Section C will be attempt any 2. Attempt any 2. It will carry 6 marks and it will include question number 9 to question number 11. Question number 9 to question number 11, which will be short answer type 2. Short answer 2. Then section D will be there. In it, attempt any 1. Section D, attempt any 1 and will carry 4 marks. It will carry 4 marks and it will include question number 12 to question number 13, which will be long answer type questions. Long answer type questions, that is question number 12 to question number 13. So in this way, section A will include question number 1 and question number 2. Section B will include question number 3 to question number 8. Section C will include question number 9 to question number 11. And section D will contain question number 12 and question number 13. So this will be the format for unit tests. Now let us see second, that is for terminal exam. Terminal examination, that is this first semester exam. So for terminal examination, the duration of the paper will be 2.5 hour. 2.5 hour and it will carry 50 marks. 50 marks. Again, this question paper for terminal examination or the first semester examination will contain in all 23 questions. So total number of questions will be 23, and again they will be divided into 4 sections A, B, C, D. So let us see section A. In this section A, question number 1 will be there. Select and write the correct answer. Select and write the correct answer and it will carry 7 marks. So in this question there will be 7 sub questions which will be in the form of MCQ, that is 7 multiple choice questions will be included in question number 1. Then question number 2 will be answer the following. Answer the following, again it will carry 7 marks. So in this again there will be 7 sub questions, that is 1 to 7, and it will be very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. Then section B. Then section B will be attempt any 8. Attempt any 8, and it will carry 16 marks. In this section B, question number 3 to question number 13 will be included. Question number 3 to question number 13, which will be short answer type 1. Short answer 1. Then section C will be attempt any 4. Attempt any 4, and will carry 12 marks. Attempt any 4, marks will be 12, and it will include question number 14 to question number 19. Question number 14 to question number 19, and which will be short answer 2 type questions. Short answer 2 type. Then section D will be attempt any 2. Attempt any 2, and it will carry 8 marks. 8 marks. And in this, question number 20 to question number 23 will be there. Question number 20 to question number 23, which will be long answer type questions. Long answer type questions. So in this way, for terminal examination or the first semester examination, in all there will be 23 questions, and they will be classified into 4 sections. In section A, question number 1 and 2 will lie. In section B, question number 3 to question number 13 will be there. In section C, question number 14 to question number 19. And in the last section D, question number 20 to question number 23 will lie. Now let us see the next format for question paper, that is for annual examination or second semester examination. So for annual examination, that is for final examination, duration of the paper will be 3 hours and marks will be equal to 70. So 3 hour duration will be there, and it will carry 70 marks. Now if you consider the paper format, in all there will be 31 questions. In all there are 31 questions, and they will be again divided into 4 sections A, B, C, D. So let us see section A. In section A, question number 1 will be there. Select and write correct answer. Select and write correct answer, and it will carry 10 marks. And so in this case, in question number 1, there will be 10 sub questions will be in the form of MCQ, that is multiple choice questions, and then only 10 MCQs will be there. Out of these 10, 7 MCQs will be related with theory and 3 will be related with numericals. So 7 theory MCQs and 3 numerical based MCQs will be there. In the second question, answer the following. Answer the following. It will carry 8 marks. It will carry 8 marks, and in this case there will be 8 sub questions from 1 to 8, which will be very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. Again, these 8 questions will be as 6 theory questions plus 2 numericals. 6 theory questions plus 2 numericals. Now let us see section B. In section B, attempt any 8. Attempt any 8, and it will carry 16 marks. So in this section B, question number 3 to question number 40 will lie. Question number 3 to question number 14 will lie in the section B, which will be short answer 1 type questions. Short answer 1 type questions, and therefore question number 3 to question number 14 will now include 7 theory questions and 5 numericals. 5 numericals. Then let us see section C. In section C, attempt any 8. Attempt any 8. It will carry 24 marks. 24 marks. And therefore, in this case, question number 15 to question number 26 will lie. Question number 15 to question number 26, which will be short answer 2 type questions. Short answer 2 type questions. And again, this question number 15 to 26 will be having 7 theory questions plus 5 numericals. 7 theory questions and 5 numericals. Then section D. Section D will contain attempt any 3. Attempt any 3, and it will carry 12 marks. 12 marks. And it will include question number 27 to question number 31. Question number 27 to question number 31. And then in this case, there will be long answers. Long answer questions. And if you consider these long answer questions, then in this case, from question number 27 to question number 31, 3 questions must carry 2 marks theory, 2 marks theory, and 2 marks numericals. So from question number 27 to question number 31, any 3 questions must carry 2 mark theory and 2 mark numericals. That is, 3 questions will be having theory plus numerical, and the remaining questions will be based upon only theory. Each question will carry 4 marks. So in this way, for terminal exam, that is for second terminal exam or annual exam, in all there will be 31 questions. In section A, there will be question 1 and question 2. In section B, there will be question number 3 to question number 14. In section C, there will be question number 15 to question number 26. And in section D, there will be question number 27 to question number 31. So this will be the paper format for this second semester or final or annual exam. And now let us see fourth one point, that is first term practical examination. So regarding the practicals, what will be the format for practical examination? So for first term, that is for terminal examination, first semester examination, the duration for practical will be 2 hours. And it will carry 20 marks. Duration will be 2 hours and marks will be 20. Now, in this case, 3 different parts will be there, A, B, and C. A will be any one experiment. So, any one long experiment we will have to perform, whose duration will be 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours, and it will carry 10 marks. It will carry 10 marks. Then part B will be any one activity. Any one activity will be there, which will be having 30-minute duration. 30-minute duration, and it will carry 5 marks. It will carry 5 marks. Then part C will be Viva, which will be based on the experiment or activity. During the experiment or during activity, the Viva will be taken, and then it will carry 5 marks. It will carry 5 marks. Then annual examination, annual practical examination for this annual or second semester or board exam practical examination. The duration will be 3 hours. 3 hour time will be there, and it will carry 30 marks. It will carry 30 marks. Now in this case, there will be 5 different parts. Then first part, that is A, will be any long experiment. So any one one long experiment, any one long experiment whose duration will be 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, and it will carry 10 mass, 10 mass. Then part B, one short experiment. There will be one short experiment whose duration will be 45 minutes, 45 minutes, and it will carry 5 mass. It will carry 5 mass. Then part C, any one activity. Any one activity will be there. It will having its duration 30 minute, 30 minute, and it will carry 5 mass, 5 mass. Then part D will be FIVA, which will be based upon the experiment or that activity. So during the performance of the experiment or activity, that FIVA will be taken, that is oral will be taken, and it will carry 5 mass. It will carry 5 mass. Then part E will be certified journal. The record of the experiments, that is certified journal, which will carry 5 mass, which will carry 5 mass. So like this, there will be format for theory examination as well as practical examination, both for 11th as well as 12th class.